Hey, happy Saturday morning. How are you doing? I in a programming mode right now. The sneaker bot I'm working on is getting traction. I've got a couple people in the Slack channel now who are ready to beta test it and start working with me. I'm working on deployment issues. As a programmer, you work until you're done, and I'm back into the zone where I'm programming till 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning and waking up at 10. So for me, this is morning time right now, and I'm enjoying this code that I'm writing. It's a lot of fun. It's challenging. It's challenging because it takes to the edge of what you do with Java. It involves JNLP, when the web start launching. It involves native libraries. It involves whole bunches of fun and interesting technologies that you just normally don't run across as a programmer. So, at least in the Java world, or most people don't run across anymore nowadays. But it brings back things I used to do, and I'm really enjoying it a lot. With that said, hey, if you're interested and you want to, get involved in this new sneaker bot that's coming out, those people who are beta testing, if you're a beta tester, I'm going to give some limited licenses right now. That's what I'm thinking about. I'll offer limited licenses when it comes out at a resellable. So the beta testers will have a chance to have a resellable license, and those who don't won't. Anyway, so that's where we're at. Hope you enjoy it. This is short because, well, I'm busy. And if you really want to make some money, in the way the economy is going right now, I think, website arbitrage, sneaker botting, shop botting is the way to go. It's at least a way to go. And if you're interested in trying out my sneaker bot, my shop bot, contact me here on this channel, and I'll take in a few good beta testers, people who can help build. I'll reward them with licenses that people would die for. Anyway, I look forward to hearing from more licenses that people would die for at a great price. Ha, great price, great price. Because it does cost to do all this stuff. Unfortunately, at this level of code, the services I have to integrate, the things that I have to bring in, the things that I have to buy cost money. It's not free. It's going to cost money for me to maintain this service, so it's got to be paid to be maintained. But anyway, if you're interested, you know where to find me. And put a message in my YouTube account, and I'll send you a Slack invite, and we'll go from there.